Zoidberg is ready to go deep. Look at this. This is my FiFiSH V6 with the claw attachment. This is an aluminum claw that works via remote on the dial of this remote to open and close on a worm gear. Now I'm going to go and attempt to find my drone today. I have not seen it since last June, which is many months ago, being October now. I have been back to that pond time and time again to try to recover the drone. But the biology in the water is so thick now that we've had a full summer of sun, I can't see anything in there. I did not have a GPS location last time because simply it is too deep in the water to have that, and this unit does not have any kind of location. So I have to look at the clues. Where did I find it in the last video? How deep was I, which was about 24 feet deep, and am I going to be able to locate it in this massive expanse of a pond now? It's basically looking for a needle in a massive algae haystack. You'll see on the front of this there is a 4K camera. I also have lights, but I can't really use lights down there right now because it's kind of like driving head on into a snowstorm with very bright lights. You can see all the snowflakes or all the biology, but you can't see beyond. So I'm going to have the lights off today. Got a GoPro up on the top, just trying to give you guys an extra angle if we do see anything cool today. And here, I might as well just kind of show you how the claw works. There is a dial on the side, so I open and close it. And there we go, you can see. Hopefully it's going to be strong enough if we find the drone. I know eventually I'm going to find it. One of these days I'm going to have to. 2 ballasts on either side to help with a float. Got some extra tape on there just to make it extra strong on the bottom. All 6 thrusters are clear and ready to go. The cable actually does the communication from the remote itself, and the remote broadcasts Wi-Fi, the image from the camera up to the phone so I can see and record everything. So I've got a camera recording here. I'll be screen capturing this, and I'll be getting as many angles as possible. Let's go dive. Good luck on your voyage to the deep. I hope we can get that drone today. Attempt number at least 15. So into the deep we go. You can notice that the water is just absolutely full of life and biology. I can barely see. Take note in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see the position of my vehicle. You'll also take note just above of my depth. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll notice it's 1222, and in the top right-hand corner, you'll notice we're at 97% battery. You'll see I'm near the bottom here at 12 feet, or pardon me, 18 feet down, and I can just barely see. If I turn on any lights, it's like driving into a snowstorm, like I was saying. You can understand why. The last clues I had of where my vehicle was, or the drone I should say that I lost, was at about 24 feet deep. Here's some old footage from the June dive where you'll see the drone was in good condition. Note the water clarity is so much better early on in June. Obviously there was not a lot of growth going on at that time. So at 24 feet deep, this is really the only hint that I have of where it could be, other than the bottle marker I left on the side of the pond. I continue to look around. I've been down here, just only for a few minutes, but I'm searching for a deeper area. Now I fast forwarded here. I've actually been down for more than half an hour, and you'll notice that my battery is at 46%. I'm basically getting close to the end of my run, and of course thinking about giving up. Was I going to find it? And I didn't want to give up. I had surfaced and then descended to the bottom so many times in the area that I thought it was. I just wanted to keep going. Keep looking. I don't see anything. 21 feet, still looking, and you'll notice my course is a little bit different. I'm still in the southwest area, but how many times have I been down here? After half an hour it gets a little discouraging on the 15th attempt. It's okay. Persistence, like anything in life, right? Patience, persistence. And really, it was just an obsession for me to find this and to continue looking for it until I did. And then lo and behold, my friends, check it out. Look right there. Switch in between cameras here for you. Here's the onboard camera view right now that I can't see this color. It looks so much better in the gray. But there you can see, I could change that on the phone app, of course, but I think the green, did help me define it a little better. I have never grabbed anything with this claw before of any consequence. I've got one shot at this because I don't want to, frig up and make a whole bunch of turbidity with these 6 thrusters. You'll see I'm already starting to kick stuff up. One chance here to really just kind of grab it. It's plastic. Is it brittle after 6 years? Can I grab it? This hook is this claw is on a worm drive. I'm losing it. I'm trying to lift it right now. The props are causing so much prop wash off the bottom. I can't see anything at all, and I'm trying to lift it, but the drone seems to be stuck on the bottom. I can see it's like the phantom of the drone in the bottom. I don't want to lose it. If I lose this, just lift it. Lift it! It's not lifting it. I can't get anything off. Do I even have it anymore? Okay, I don't want to freak out. I can see the leg. I can see the camera. Okay. I've got to somehow get this through the water. Okay, the best thing I can do is just try to go backwards. I'm trying to go backwards. Is there any better way? I'm going to have to just shut off the motors because I can't see anything at all and I can't lift it at all. The weight of the hook, the weight of the drone, maybe the propellers are stuck in some seaweed. Oh, I still have it. Shut the motors off. Okay, now that the motors are off, just try to drag it forward or backwards slowly. I don't want to lose this because if I lose it anywhere along the way, there's no way for me to tell where it went. I'm still getting it with me. As long as I don't get it caught on the bottom through any seaweed, if it gets turned sideways, it might come out from the claw. Yes, I'm just totally going to get this. I'm totally going to get this. Yes! It has been so long. I have been hunting for this for so long. I don't want to lose this. It's like stuck. It's like stuck. I'm trying to pull it. We'll flip the camera and get it past because it seems to be stuck on a rock. I can't seem to get it to go past where it's supposed to go. Please, I don't want to lose this. No. If it turns sideways, there's nothing I can do. I just have to take my time and slowly pull on the tether. No! Oh my God, after 6 years of hunting, guys, after a finding attempt and then not being able to get it back and then getting a claw, I cannot believe I'm about to pluck the DJI Vision 2 from the pond. My friends, you deserve to be here with me. Let's go get it. Unbelievable. Look here was the bottle marker I left in the pond. I had no way to do GPS because 30 feet down, there's just no way. Look at what you see in the water. A hint of the phantom. Guys, I've been obsessively looking for this. I've been out like at least 15 times. Fail after fail after fail after fail. To win today, the Quasi FiFiSH V6 with the claw. We did it! Yeah! Yeah! I'm so glad I didn't have enough power with the drone with the underwater ROV. For some reason, it was either very heavy or it was stuck on the bottom. I had to basically gently pull it back into shore. But look at this. Oh, and I got the battery. Yes, it is recovered, my friends. I did it. I did it. I can't believe I got it. That's unbelievable. And I recovered the battery from the depths. That was so important to me. Get that stupid LiPo battery out of there. No more pollution in the pond. Phantom Lake, you have been exorcised. Oh man, whew, what a rush. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? After all this time, we did it. Wow. So much dedication, battery after battery after battery. This battery runs about an hour and 20 minutes for a dive time. It's amazing how far and how long you can go underneath there. I cannot believe how bad this drone actually stinks just because it's been down in the sludge for so long. All the motors, of course, are absolutely seized. But like I said when I first popped this out, am I ever stoked to see that I got the battery back? I'm sure I can't even... Oh, I can. Look at that. I can't. It must have like popped out when it hit the water. Gross. I'm so glad to get that back. That's just normal sludge from the pond. Unbelievable. This is what I was really after. Look at this. What happened on the day of the crash? There it is. Can I recover this sand disc? After all that time? Oh, it doesn't look good. Here I'm at my computer, look at this. That's how long it was in the water. It actually corroded the contact point on both sides. Look at this. I did as much cleaning as I could to get it off of there. Is this going to reveal what happened to the Phantom Vision 2? I highly doubt it, but we're going to attempt it. Let's put it in my card reader here. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Work! It's trying to read it. Oh, it's not recognizing it. Oh, fail. So hoping, but what do I expect after 6 years, eh? And there it is in all of its glory. Look at this. When I first started this journey and I had this drone disappear at the bottom of what I dubbed Phantom Lake, there was no technology for me to go and even see it unless I was going to go diving. And I didn't even really know where it was in that giant pond. And then FiFiSH, a company, just serendipitously happened to come out with this underwater rover. And it didn't have a GoPro mount on it. It didn't have a claw on it. It was just a rover that could go and dive underwater. I had one of the very first prototype machines that they were working on. They were still coding it while I was troubleshooting this, trying to dive in my very dark pond just to see where I had lost the drone. And over time, I got to see this product, evolve. And eventually, after several years of hunting and diving, we finally got eyes on this drone back in June 2020. And then right in July, they launched the claw with the ballasts on either side. That would be strong. And I hunted for months after. But the pond had had so much biology and so much growth in there, I couldn't see past all the algae. Until today, when we finally see a whole dream. Every time I looked over at that pond, I always felt the sting knowing that I had never been able to get that drone out of there and that LiPo battery is going to be in that pond forever. And I did not like that idea. And so 6 years later, it all comes to fruition. It all comes to a head and we finally get the drone out of the pond, guys. I hope we earned a like click today. I also left a link to Quasi and the FiFiSH down below to their website, as well as a link to the entire playlist. It's been an incredible journey, guys. I'm going to find new places to have fun with my FiFiSH, go underwater hunting. We're going into the winter season. That means it's going to be nice clear water in the springtime. We will see you guys in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have fun with RC. You know I always do. Bye for now.